Are you considering giving your car a new look without necessarily opting for a paint job? A car wrap is most likely the best answer for you. With various colors and designs available on the market right now, as well as the option to design your own, car personalization has never been easier. The materials you use, the techniques you follow are some of the factors that can dictate the overall finish of your car wrap. However, before putting forth any cash and time, if you're keen to give it a try, let's look into some of the pros and cons of car wraps for you. You get what you pay for. Wraps are not created equal. In most cases, the price affects the quality just like any other product. If you're considering wrapping your car on a budget, this may give you a less desirable finish. A thread quality wrap is often recommended due to its ability to self-heal from small scratches or holes when gently heated up again. This sandy benefit of thread wraps can't always be found in low quality products. It may be illegal to change your car's identity in your region, so you should consider the legalities of this. If you're planning to add a full body wrap, which will drastically change the color and identity of the car, for example from black to red, you will need to inform your insurance company or any other governing motorist body in your region before investing any money into any extra full body wrap, especially if it changes the car's identity wholly. This process can be so long, especially if you wish to wrap your car for only a short period of time, for example 6 months. You may need to apply for a permit to change your car's color or identity, and this could take you probably 1 to 3 months depending on where you are. Extreme wear and tear. As the car wrap undergoes more damage, the color will begin to seep through, becoming more noticeable and losing its overall finish. The protective element of the vinyl wrap will also be lost, again exposing the paintwork to more damages. So you may need to change your car wrap more often. Now that's enough of the cons. Let's go and look at the pros of having a car wrap. It's removable. If you decide in 6 months or so that you no longer like the current car wrap, you can simply remove it. I must mention and remind you that the process of removing a car wrap is a slow and precise process to ensure you preserve the vehicle's quality. Some tips for removing the vinyl wrap include using a heat gun, a slow peel approach, and try to avoid abrasive solutions. It protects your paint. You could be one of those car owners who wish to preserve the original car paintwork from the factory and probably do a reveal later. Vinyl wraps act as a protective layer against small chips and scratches from stones and other road damages. And if you would love to eventually sell off your car in its original condition, protecting the car paint will preserve its resale value and avoid having to pay out for any minor scratch repairs. Cost effective. A car wrap could be the best way to cost effectively test out new ranges of colors. While the price of a vinyl wrap can vary, especially if you want the work to be carried out by a professional, applying a wrap is a cheaper way and always allows you to be flexible and try out new styles and designs, as well as the freedom to have a new look, for example, every after 6 months without spending a lot of cash. Personalization. We all like to personalize any of our belongings or any stuff we have around us. Now, car wraps have become pristine and more car owners are opting for them. Whether it's a full body wrap or just the wheels, this personalization gives you the freedom to have a car that is unique specifically to you. Now, not every wrap is a crazy color. Vinyl wraps really vary and allow you to change the colors frequently. So you could be that kind of guy who likes to have or try out as many colors as possible in, let's say, every after 6 months, 3 months, or probably a year or so. So a vinyl wrap is gonna help you achieve this as frequent as you wish. Now the last pro is probably for those into advertising. Car wraps are great for advertising and promos. For instance, if you want to set up a promo, or maybe you're giving out a car, so you can simply apply a well-designed car wrap onto the car and probably change it every after 6 months. I usually see this with promotions going on with telecom companies and probably banks. This could be a great option. Alright, thank you for watching, and that's all for today's video.